I'm Heather Wendt with the Heritage Garden Program, and in this video we're going to cover drought-tolerant plants for your Waterwise landscape. Heritage gardens are landscaped areas designed to honor the cultural and natural heritage of the Columbia River Basin. The Heritage Garden Program was developed by the Benton Conservation District in partnership with the Columbia Basin chapter of the Washington Native Plant Society. Heritage gardens are offered in Benton, Franklin, Yakima, and Kittitas counties. So what is the purpose of a heritage garden? Heritage gardens promote the use of native plants. They promote sustainable landscaping and sustainable gardening practices. The program is designed to educate our community about the history and biodiversity of the Columbia River Basin. So let's take a look at some of the floral requirements of a certified heritage garden. Certified gardens need to have at least 5 different species of plants. 75% of those plants need to be native to Washington State. 30% need to have a water requirement of less than 10 inches annually. And no more than 10% can have a water requirement of greater than 30 inches of water annually. So let's take a look at some native plants that you can include in your garden. Blue bunch wheatgrass, purple sage, fragrant evening primrose, Monroe's globe mallow, sulfur buckwheat. And now let's take a look at some non-native drought-tolerant plants for your garden. Apache plume, Rocky Mountain penstemon, firecracker penstemon, pine leaf penstemon. Now let's take a look at some focal point plants for your heritage garden. Serviceberry, antelope bitterbrush. Combining these plants and many more can add long-lasting color and texture to your landscape while conserving water. And by incorporating native plants into your landscapes, not only are you saving water, but you're providing habitat for pollinators. Brown-belted bumblebee on a cultivar of blanket flower. Hunt bumblebee on blue mountain prairie clover. Digger bee on purple sage. For more information on heritage gardens, contact us on our website, www.hgcd.info, or you can find us on Facebook at the Heritage Garden Program. We'd like to thank all of our sponsors for our support. Again, heritage gardens are offered for in Benton, Franklin, Yakima, and Kittitas counties through your local conservation districts. Heritage Garden Program funding in Yakima and Kittitas County, sponsored by a grant from the municipal subgroup of the Yakima Basin Integrated Plan through the Washington State Department of Ecology. And until next time, we'll see you in the garden.